New to the app and trying to decide which suppliers are better qualified for your business? Here's a simple guide on how to search for and evaluate suppliers on Alibaba.com. You can find suppliers by searching for products or manufacturers. If you know what products you want to source, search by keywords under products and filter for suppliers. Or search under manufacturers to help you build a product from scratch. Apply additional filters to refine your results. You can also tap the filters icon on the top right next to the search box and edit the origin and destination of shipments. Now comes the real challenge: how to evaluate all these suppliers to find the one. From the search results page, you can find out how long they've been selling on Alibaba.com, size of their factory, number of employees, etc. On the supplier's profile page, you can take a virtual tour around their factories or offices to get a like you are there feeling. Check out their response rate, online transactions in the last 6 months, and on-time delivery rate. After getting your first impression, refer to these standardized metrics, like their export markets, and check out their ratings and reviews to know more about the supplier you're seeing for the first time. On a final note, suppliers' professional capabilities and industry standard certifications are sometimes available to you to evaluate if they qualify for your business. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. How do I know what I see is what I get? This is where verified suppliers come in. Verified suppliers are suppliers who have had their store displayed information and capabilities verified by independent, world-renowned third-party companies like SGS, TUV, and Intertek. Simply filter for verified supplier or verified manufacturer during your search and get only verified suppliers in your results. Blue icons that look like this, and this are your cues to identify verified suppliers on Alibaba.com. Now it's time to build your next partnership. Search, evaluate, partner up.